Timeline of the Temple Mount, 2000 BCE, Mount Moriah. Tradition, 1000 BCE, David's purchase. 957 BCE, First Temple completion. 925 BCE, plunder by Shishak. 835 BCE, Jehoash's repairs. 701 BCE, Assyrian siege. 622 BCE, Josiah's reform. 597 BCE, First Babylonian siege. 586 BCE, First Temple destroyed. 538 BCE, Edict of Cyrus. 516 BCE, Second Temple dedicated. 167 BCE, Hellenistic desecration. 164 BCE, Maccabean rededication. 63 BCE, Roman conquest. 19 BCE, Herodian expansion. Circa 30 CE, Jesus at the temple. 70 CE, Second Temple destroyed. 132 CE, Bar Kokhba revolt. 135 CE, Temple of Jupiter. 363 CE, Julian the Apostate. 614 CE, Sassanid conquest. 638 CE, Muslim conquest. 691 CE, Dome of the Rock. 715 CE, Al-Aqsa Mosque. 1099 CE, Crusader occupation. 1187 CE, Saladin's reconquest. 1260 CE, Mamluk patronage. 1517 CE, Ottoman conquest. 1967, Six-Day War. 1981 CE, UNESCO designation.